Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to find the currents in each resistor by using current divider rule. Okay, let me just give you the current divider rule. Okay, current divider rule says Ix is equal I total times R total over Rx. So as you can see, in order to use this formula, we're supposed to find total resistance first. So I have R total is equal, because I have two resistors, I'm going to use product over the sum. So I have R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2. This is equal. R1 is 2.4 kilo ohms times 5.2 kilo ohms divided by, open parenthesis, 2.4 kilo ohms plus 5.2 kilo ohms. This is equal. I'm going to use the calculator. So I have 2.4 exponent 3 times 5.2 exponent 3 is equal, divided by, open parenthesis, 2.4 exponent 3 plus 5.2 exponent 3. This is equal 1.64 kilo ohms. 1.64 kilo ohms. So this is the total resistance of my circuit. Next, I'm supposed to find the current I1. I1 is equal I total times R total over R1. Okay, so this is my formula. Always write the formulas. If you keep writing the formulas, you are going to remember them. If you are not going to write the formulas, you will have difficulties all the time. So we have I1 is equal I total 25 milliamps times R total, which is equal 1.64 kilo ohms over R1, which is equal 2.4 kilo ohms. Okay, so this is equal. Now let's use the calculator to solve I1. Okay, solve the value of I1. So I have 25 exponent 3 negative times 1.64 exponent 3 divided by 2.4 exponent 3 equals 17.08 milliamps. So this is 17.08 milliamps. So this is the current I1, current which goes through resistor R1. If I want to find I2, I2 is equal I total times R total over R2. Always write the formula first. So I total is equal 25 milliamps times R total, which is equal 1.64 kilo ohms over R2, which is equal, in this case, 5.2 kilo ohms. 5.2 kilo ohms. Okay, this is equal. Use the calculator. So I have 25 exponent 3 negative times 1.64 exponent 3 divided by 5.2 exponent 3 equals 7.88 milliamps. 7.88 milliamps. Okay, so let's check if our answers are correct. In order to check it, I'm going to use KCL, Kirchhoff current law. Okay, the Kirchhoff current law says that I total is equal the sum of the currents in the circuit. Okay, so we have I1 plus I2. I1 is equal 17.08 milliamps plus 7.88 milliamps. Okay, so this is equal 17.08 exponent 3 negative plus 7.88 exponent 3 negative. This is equal 24.96 milliamps. This is approximately equal 25 milliamps. So it means that the currents which we obtain from our calculations are correct, and these are the solutions to our problem.